Today, we're talking about damage to propellers. This is the after-work garage. As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can catch this on camera, but hit a rock here with this stainless steel propeller, and it folded the edge over just a little. And this is something that in a little bit I'm going to show you a way to bend that out temporarily. Now I am going to take it to a shop to get it professionally repaired, but to get out in the water tomorrow, there's a quick fix we can do with a piece of wood and hammer. First thing we're going to do is take it off. Whenever you hit something, this is with one of these hub styles, this is something you're definitely going to want to check to make sure there's no cracks and make sure it's still functioning properly. Because if you get your propeller repaired or put it back on the boat and then try to run it and this is damaged, this will just shatter and spin, and then you're not going to have a way to push your boat around. I actually have an example of one here that looks okay at first glance, but if we take the hub out and look a little closer, you can see that there's cracks all around it, so that's not going to be any good. This needed to be replaced. Alright, so what are we going to do about this guy right here? Well, I'm going to get it to a prop shop next week, but I need to take this boat out tomorrow, and this is the correct pitch prop that I want to use. So I'm just going to put it on a block of wood and gently bang this out. Ideally, I'd be using a brass mallet, or a brass or bronze hammer, which is softer than stainless, so it's not going to mar up the finish, but as you can see, it's already pretty marred up. And all I really want to do is take this curl out. I don't want to risk altering the profile of the blade very much, or at all. It's not something that I am either qualified to do or have the equipment to do, but I want to take that curl out of there. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm using a block of wood here instead of some type of anvil for the same reason that I'd ideally be using a softer metal hammer. This happens to be walnut, which is nice because it provides a decently hard surface to hit against. And since I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm working slowly and using lots of smaller taps rather than taking a few big swings at it. One general note is that these propellers are heavier than they look and somewhat awkward to hold, so I'm bracing it against my leg to keep it at the angle I want it. Now, I've heard of some people doing this with the prop still on the boat, but by taking it off, I have so much better access and control, and I'm not concerned about putting uneven shock loads on the prop shaft while I'm hammering. So it's not anywhere near perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. I've gotten a lot of the profile of the blade back, and it's not curled out anymore. So I think I'm going to leave it there. What I don't want to do is do more damage to the blade than has already been done, so that when they go to repair it, it's an easier repair, and I'm not having them say, oh, why'd you hammer it and then this whole part's not very good. They'll probably have to do that anyways, but hey, I'm not the expert. I'm just trying to get it to work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the After Work Garage.